Hey, my name is James Mason. In this video, we're going to talk about the Form 10Q. So, the 10Q is a quarterly financial report that is unaudited. So, every 3 months, a company will fill one of these out, and it doesn't have to be audited. So, there are only 3 10Qs during the year, and the final one is what they call the 10K, which is the next video. So right here, you have the Form 10Q, and this holds a lot of important information. So as you open this up and start looking at this section right here, it just kind of breaks down what's in this form. So as you can see, there are 2 parts to every 10Q. So the first part is all the financial information, all the business decisions. And the second part, all the legal stuff and the things that kind of, go on, like as in like the company buying back their own stocks. So as you go through this, you can start seeing all these different numbers, and every company, their 10Qs and 10Ks are going to look completely different. Now, this is Target's. Target is a big company, so it's going to be a lot of information in their financials. So you just have to take time, scroll through it, and basically look at every section and decipher what that means, and then the numbers in the end. So as you keep going through all this, you kind of start developing an idea of how healthy this company is in terms of finances. So let's go down here to the second part. Alright, so here is the second part for this 10Q. As you can see, it talks about this court case, and right down here it talks about them buying back shares. And this is very, very important. Now the court cases, that's just going to kind of depend on what the case was about. But down here where it shows the unregistered sales and everything, if the company's talking about buying back $5 billion worth of shares, that is huge. And if there's less shares out in the market, that means the stock value should go up. So those are some things that you need to look at when you see these like 10Qs come along. And I know this video is relatively simple in terms of what to look at, but the thing is, like, if I tried to break this 10Q down to you, I would lose everybody's attention, just because there's just so many numbers, and it wouldn't even be relevant for whatever company you're looking at, because everybody's is going to be different. So that is pretty much the 10Q. And hey, I appreciate you taking your time to watch this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.